Hey guys, welcome back to Fresh Kwame TV. If today is your first time watching this channel, please kindly do me a favor and hit the subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get any update that is coming on this channel. Guys, today we I hit 1K views. I think I hit 1K views on weekend where I hit 1K views. So my guys, my queens, my kings and my queens, man, one big family right here. I just want to talk say Charlie, thank to everybody, man. Everybody will help, will make this thing happen, man. Just want to say thank you, man. I really do appreciate this. The Amoyana are so many pounds, what I say. So many pounds, so many, many aji pounds. Say I didn't yeah, no, just say. Meaning, majority of the people, no, just say, almost feel it, and encouraging. Say, I didn't do a lot, I say, but I say, mini bibi I always say, me all na mini share, na person me ya deal with us, and I say, minimal kasa, yeah, communicating. There are more questions, be a more to comment section, which I say, near vibe, family, which I say, what question be even about me crying, which I say, to me to talk crying, me reply, so I just say, yeah, just want to say I appreciate all of you guys, man. I do, man. Charlie, so I dey hear say I dey hear some rumor where they go on for town say Charlie, Shatawale get accidents, man. Say it be false news. The haters know the Kokunte bloggers know the fake bloggers know where they always hate on Shatawale. So as the thing happens, self they no go investigate, go check say Charlie what happened to my one king self. No, they start the speculate the news say Shatawale got accident. Shatta no get no accident. Shatta dey kampe. Shatta step na in day house. You understand? The man where he be doctor, the man where unite Shatta and Abo, you understand? He be the man where he get accident self. He be in car. The man self now not the car inside. You understand? He be somebody that he driving car self on their way after visiting Shatta. You understand? So Shatta just went over there just to check his friends out and help them out. That's all it was. So Shatta Wale is not in no accident. You understand me, guys? So don't panic. It's just a false rumor. This Kokonte bloggers and vloggers is the one who go out. Charlie, they step Charlie too much. If positive news comes, you know go hear none of them will they go blog themselves. You understand? I be I hear say Stonebwoy they cry say Charlie why bloggers know they help. I be then times now they fight Shatawale now they don't bring Shatta down. Now you know say Charlie you the party can make free there Charlie. They forget you because Charlie man we this thing Charlie we dey do one for one heart me like I don't go do this thing. But Charlie I dey where I see Charlie then times everybody they block they press Shatta down. Well, I be my guy. If you take camera and put yourself then talk to you understand the way I started talk with the thing catch. You understand? So I say, oh Charlie, we could do this thing to take help Shatta. You understand? So no be say man, some people say come with them too much, Charlie. If you don't get job, go find job. After that you can do this thing as a side job, you understand me? This thing pays, but it's not really about always you have to be like deliver negative stuff about people before you have to earn something to feed yourself, man. You understand? Once I think I go near the but I'm not far fan. Once Shatta you be back, which I say, who the Yaman say here to turn so which I say, and they're right because you be back. So now also one obi kaso onya kunshi abe umame ya which I say. Bibisa, mambo nya sana man which I say. If you want people, Ghana they concert in Kwan Charlie. It's bloggers there, Charlie. So Moku Sanka Shatawale top. So as Shatta the guy funny Charlie. So as you know say Shatta the Foresight TV did they throw some jobs for Facebook or Twitter or something like that, understand? So finally they show the video for Foresight TV which Shatta can put for Instagram say it's official. Foresight TV showing Melissa. So guys, make we dey support the Melissa video. Understand? Melissa video is dope. You know, we have to keep watching it. We have to push it high. You understand me? We have to keep pushing. So there's another big news in town right now, man. I mean, it's not like finally in concrete or on a paper or it's on an ongoing. But I mean, even the way the news came about is good, you know. Even if it don't work out, it's okay. So some company be where they do BA, understand? They call them but wiser. You understand me? It be big beer where they then they sponsor La Liga self, then Premier League and things. You understand? So this be big brand. So they come Twitter where they come tweet Shatta Wale where they say at Shatta Wale GH, we hear you are hashtag already the African dancehall king. How about linking up for a collabo on a future project with the king of BS? You understand? So I'll repeat again. At Shatta Wale GH, we hear you are hashtag already the African dancehall king. How about linking up for a collabo with a future project with the king of BS? You understand? This means say Charlie. They say Charlie Shatta Wale be the dancehall king of Africa. You understand me? They say be dancehall king of Africa. They hear of him. I'm sure because of the Beyonce collabo. You understand? This I told you it was going to open a lot of doors for Shatta Wale. Look at what is happening now. You understand me? So as they talk show, you understand. So the talk show, where Shatta reply say he's always ready for a collabo where he put some signs that he's grateful. You understand? This self be big thing just for them to tweet Shatta. You understand? Because this be big brand. You understand? If these guys sign Shatta right now, my guy, Shatta Wale gbami cry actually it's gbami. You understand? So guys, this is the good news for the SF family, the Shatta movement and Ghana music industry. You understand me? So guys, if today be your first day where you watch this channel, you understand me? I beg, make you hit that subscribe thing for that and hit the bell icon. You understand? Make you take the video, put Facebook, Twitter, and things. You understand? Make people know say somebody did there with here with the help Shatta movements. Yeah, we only talk positive. You understand me? Yeah. So guys, thank you guys so much. We've hit 1K subscribers. I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Catch you guys in the next video. Bye.